wouldn't last 24 hours in the Amazon rainforest. The second you step inside, the heat starts draining you. You're sweating non-stop, and your water is almost gone. Mosquitoes swarm you, and they don't stop. That river looks safe, but one sip could wreck you. And trust me, you're not alone out here. One wrong step, and you're inches from a venomous snake. Night falls, and the jungle gets louder. You turn around. Everything looks the same. Your body's exhausted. Then the rain hits, and now you're soaked. It hasn't even been 24 hours, so I'll say it again.